Hey guys, new location for this video and new petite styling service, and I am so excited because I love a petite styling service. We'll get into that in a second. We'll talk about my location here. Why am I in a random hotel room? So I am in Chicago. I have an annual girls weekend in Chicago with the girls I lived with in college, and we have one of the girls that lives here in the Chicago area out in the burbs. And so every year in December we go to her place, and then we go to some of the cute burbs that are all decorated for Christmas and do Christmas shopping or personal shopping. So I did that over the weekend, and then now I am in Chicago for work for a couple of days, and so I have Sunday night and I've got a little time to kill in my hotel room. So I actually brought one of my style boxes with me because I didn't get a chance to film it before I went. I don't know why I picked it up again. You saw it the first time. Here it is the third time. Anyways, so I thought I would film it, and I'm so excited. So Petite Ave. So they reached out to me. They emailed me, said, will you please review the service for your YouTube channel? They didn't ask for anything else, so this is just my honest review of that. I do have a referral link though, that if you want to try it and get $25 off your first box, then you can try it, and I also get $25 off, so that is always a great deal. So I love services that provide that referral credit. I keep looking down like it's gonna magically open and show me what's inside. So a couple other things with it. So for them, they consider petite actually 5'5" and under. They give you 5 days to decide what to keep and then send back what you don't want to keep. They did send me the options that they wanted to send to me and said, hey, what do you think? I liked it all except for, I think there was a pair of leggings, and you guys have heard me say probably a multitude times before that I'm just not a legging person. So I told them, asked them if they could switch it for like a pair of jeans or something like that, because I love getting a pair of jeans. So I don't know what those look like, but I have seen the other 4 pieces, and I can tell you, I think it's going to be a great box. Now, one thing I'll say, and this has kind of been on my mind as I have been shopping here in Chicago, and I've done a bit of shopping for myself, is honestly, I think I'm like giving up most non-petite clothing, because it's just, to me, I see something and it's, extra small, and I know that if it's not petite, it's probably going to be a little bit large, especially jackets, cardigans, things like that are ones that are the bigger deal. And so I am finding myself kind of shifting more to the petite side of things. I've done some shopping at Loft, and mostly that's pretty much it. Just Loft has been like my main petite store. I know other places have petites, but that's just kind of where I have veered with my shopping. Anyway, so I am excited about another styling service that provides me with petite clothing, because it's just not easy. I literally went to an outlet mall for hours today and went into 20, 30 different stores. Like, I went into so many stores, and only a couple of them had petites in there. So it's just not easy to find. I do find myself doing online shopping for it, but it's just not easy to find. So I'm excited about this. Let's go ahead and get into it. I've been talking about it way too much, and am so excited to dig in and check it out. I have dumped out the contents of this. There is a letter here that I will kind of read and then summarize for you guys after I do my try on. They did provide me with a mailer to send back anything I don't keep, and it is USPS, which is my preference because I live very close to the post office. So I'm happy with that. So let's go ahead. I've got a couple bundles here that popped out, so let's go ahead and dig into them. So first up, Jenny's got a pair. Oh, they're articles of society. Oh, that makes me so happy. Okay, so there's a pair of distressed black jeans, articles of society, which I love articles of society. It's honestly one of my favorites just because it feels great, it fits great, and it tends to be more affordable than other premium denim. It is a scissor cut hem on it, and then even has kind of a, what do you call this? Kind of a cut here at the hem. Can you see that? I don't know. And yeah, distressing a couple different places. It's a crop. So, and since it's a scissor hem, I can easily, you know, I don't know why I'm standing up. Well, I wanted to see. I can easily cut off a little bit more if I need to. I think this will probably be pretty good. I might have to cut off a little bit. So, I'm really happy with that. Yay, Articles of Society. And then we have this is by Bobao. I always mess that up. And it is in an extra small petite, and it is a tie front tank, and it's in kind of a brownish, I thought it was kind of a reddish color, brownish reddish, I guess maybe more brown than a rust though, and has kind of this slit here at the top, and I just thought this would be a really good layering piece to wear under some of my cardigans here in the fall and winter. And then we have this animal print blouse, which I was excited about. This is by One State, and it has kind of a little bit of a puff sleeve. And honestly, I do not mind a little puff sleeve. I do not mind that at all. It's in an extra small, and it is a button up front. So I think that's really cute. I like the sleeve length. I like a, I guess I'd call it a half sleeve, so I'm really optimistic on that. Let's go to the second bundle. See some navy with some animal print. Okay, so this is a dress, which I'm excited about. It is a navy wrap dress, and it is by Gilly, which I do enjoy a Gilly dress. And a 3/4 sleeve wrap dress, and it's got white, basically cream and brown spots on it, so I think that's super cute. Really like that. Okay, and last up, I did ask for a jacket, and this has like a faux suede feel to it. This is by Philosophy, petite extra small. I didn't check to see if this was just extra small or if it was petite. And I do find with these petite services that they don't necessarily send you 100% petite, but it's like, hey, here are the things that we think will fit you. Which honestly, you know, a small portion of what I buy is actually in petite. There's plenty of other extra smalls that actually do fit. So I'm fine with that. I don't actually see the size on this one. That's surprising. So not sure what size dress is, but yes, this is extra small petite by Philosophy, and it is a faux suede drape front black jacket. So I was really excited to see a black jacket and excited to see a petite jacket. I really like all these pieces. There isn't anything here that I'm not excited about. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, first up, I put on this jacket, and I think I literally went, oh, because it feels like it really fits. The sleeve length is great, and there's no extra fabric here. It fits great. It actually has, like, you know, it's a waterfall type jacket, but it's actually got like a double layer here, if you can see that, which, you know, gives it a little, you know, extra fabric, makes it look interesting. So I think it's super cute, and I think it fits great. So unless the price is just crazy, which I have no idea what their prices are like, I'm assuming they carry a lot of brands that you see in the other style boxes, so I'm assuming that their prices are going to be comparable, but I'm not sure. So really like this jacket. I think this is definitely a keeper. I love that it fits me great, and I can throw this on and feel cool and like my clothes fit. So, all right, the tank is very cute. Fits great. Again, no complaints, no extra fabric here. It's just a good fitting tank. It's kind of a thin sweater-ish material, so like I said, I think it'll layer up well, and then even in the summer I could easily wear it just, you know, as is. So great fit, really like it. Let's keep going. Okay, next up we have the distressed jeans, and hopefully I don't blend into the dresser too much, but the distressed jeans feel great. Again, I love Articles of Society, and they're great fit, and they've got lots of distressing on them, which is cute. And then they have like a little slit here at the ankle, which is cute, and it's a great length. You know, they're not too long. They're just, you know, hit me right here at the ankle, so really happy with that. The shirt is cute, but honestly, I would be served well if it was actually in a petite. So, because it just does look a little bit big up here in the shoulders, and I think I'm just a very tiny shouldered person. Now, lengthwise, I have no problem with it. Actually, I don't know that I'd want it to go any shorter. It's just the shoulders here where I think I could be served well by it being a petite, but still really cute, great pick. Now I think I have just the dress left. Okay, last up we have the dress, and I'm really liking these wrap dresses. Now this one is interesting because though it is a wrap dress, it is like you can't unwrap it. It's just got this piece of fabric that holds it together, and then kind of this dress comes through here. So I think that's super interesting, and I like that. I like that it's like keeps me secure knowing that it's not, you know, a complete wrap. I think it fits really well, and I could stand to be maybe a little bit bustier in this, but I think I prefer it that way because I feel like this is actually for a wrap dress. I feel very secure here in the chest area. So I think it's kind of perfect. So what do you guys think? Do you like? I like it. Okay, so that's the dress, and I guess let's go ahead and go over prices now. Okay, so I did read the note that she sent me. She thanked me for agreeing to post about them on my YouTube channel, and said that basically, you know, she's a 5-foot woman who spent thousands of dollars on alterations, and she decided to quit her full-time job and, you know, make this styling service. She said that their mission is to empower petite women to feel and look their best by finding fashionable clothing that fits. We're creating a future where women under 5'5" are celebrated no matter their shape or size, and we couldn't be more excited to have you as part of the journey. So thank you, Vanessa, and I'm really happy that they reached out to me on this. And then on the back of the note, it's how it works. They have the prices here on this sheet where they tell you how much, what each price is and how much it costs, and you put in there kind of your feedback comments as well. And then, like I said, 5 days to send it back, which you don't want to keep. So, okay, let's do this. All right, so I'm going to start at the top of the list here for, so the black Articles of Society jeans, they are $68. That is the standard price across anywhere where you find Articles of Society jeans. So really, really tempted to keep these because I do love Articles of Society. Tempted. Only reason why I'm not 100% sold is because I just got a new pair of black jeans. They're not distressed, but I already have a pair of black distressed jeans. But they're not Articles of Society, so I don't know. That's a maybe solely just because I have a very, very full drawer of pants. Very full. All right. Next up, is the navy patterned ghillie dress, and this is $59. Again, I really like it. I don't have a lot of this wrap style, and I'm really liking that. So a maybe again. So super helpful, Jen, on making decisions here. This is the faux suede jacket by Philosophy. It is $35. This is $35. So I'm keeping that for obvious reasons. Then there's the animal print blouse, but it was like One Dot State. I'm not quite sure what that brand is. $45. This one was a little bit big in the shoulders, so not going to keep that. And then last is the orange knot top from Bobow, and it is $35. And I'm a maybe on that one too. I don't know, guys. I liked everything. This is my definite yes. And then I'd say I don't know. Give me your guys' opinion, guys. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it there because if I sit here to fully make a decision, then you guys will be here a very long time. So I will sleep on it, and if I've made up my decision, I will put it in the comments. But if not, then please give me your comments because I desperately need your help. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are interested in the service if you are petite. I did forget to say that it does have a styling fee of $20 that does get applied to anything you purchase. I did forget to mention that. And again, if you want to try it, refer a link below to get you $25 off of your first box. So very, very happy with Petite Avenue. Now, one thing they did say, I think, is you can get it like every 2 weeks, once a month, once every couple of months. So I am probably going to try to get it again here in just a couple of weeks to, you know, get a few petite boxes in. So hopefully you will be seeing this as a recurring styling service, and I will keep you guys in the loop on that. And hopefully you like this video and you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye.